Hi, everyone. Attorney Rachel Kelley here with another Family Law Friday. This week, I'm answering the question of what is Halloween parenting time? So Halloween has a very unique place in many people's hearts, and many people prefer to celebrate this holiday with their children. And as a result, it can often become an area where there is an opportunity for conflict with parents who simply just do not get along, who are no longer living together. So it's very important that if Halloween is important to you, that you and your ex have reached an agreement about how Halloween parenting time is going to occur this Halloween, and it's coming up in just a few weeks. Now, if the two of you can't reach an agreement, you're going to want to pull out your court order, your parenting time order, and see whether it says that you are required to follow a specific parenting time policy for holidays in the event that the two of you cannot agree. Now, we talked about this in last week's video, so if you have any questions, go find our video that says what exactly is a parenting time policy, and that will explain that to you. So our office is in Kalamazoo County, and primarily we practice in Kalamazoo, although we do take cases in lots of other counties in the area in Southwest Michigan and in other places occasionally upon client request. Now, specifically, every single county has a different parenting time policy. And so it is very important that you are looking at the correct policy when you are determining what your holiday parenting time is supposed to be. In Kalamazoo, the parenting time policy defines the Halloween parenting time as the day of the week that is designated for trick-or-treating, and trick-or-treating is in quotation in the policy. The Halloween holiday shall begin at 4 p.m. and ends on Halloween at 8 p.m. So that is a little bit of a challenge, right? What is the day of the week that gets designated for trick-or-treating? I think the answer to that could be it depends, right? So let's go down I-94 and think about what the Van Buren County policy says. The Van Buren County policy simply says that on Halloween, parenting time is 4 to 8 p.m., period. That's it. So ultimately, it really kind of depends. Where are you planning to take the child for trick-or-treating? Does your neighborhood have a specific date? So for example, if it is your year for Halloween parenting time, you live in Kalamazoo County and your children are supposed to be with you for Halloween parenting time because you and your ex have not agreed to anything else, and you have a court order that says in the event you cannot agree, holidays pursuant to the policy, then that means that whatever day of the week your residence or your neighborhood is doing trick-or-treating, that's the day that you have parenting time from 4 to 8 p.m. Now I'm looking at the policy over here. I've got a copy right by my office or right by my desk here. So this year it looks like Halloween is dad's holidays. This year, Halloween is a dad holiday in Kalamazoo. Now, that may not be true in the county where you live. So look specifically at your court order, look specifically at your county parenting time policy if it applies in your court order. So this year in Kalamazoo, dads get Halloween, but again, designated as the day that there's going to be trick-or-treating. Well, what we know is this year, it just so happens that Halloween, in fact, falls on a Sunday. So is your neighborhood going to be trick-or-treating on Sunday, or are they going to be doing it on Saturday? If they're going to do it on Saturday and you are under the Kalamazoo County parenting time policy for your court order, then that is when you will be doing your parenting time with your children for Halloween this year. I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions about the holidays, or if you're getting concerned about having an agreement in advance of Thanksgiving and Christmas, please give our office a call. We're here to help. Do not delay.